Um,
No, it's not mandatory. Whatever is there, you need to use that only.
means I was facing problem while opening the code. Like
You
I
do one
tried.
thing. You don't do one thing. Just close this first. Close this.
Hmm.
Suppose you cloned already. Open a VS Code.
Okay, directly we can. Oh, sorry.
VS Code. This is your project.
Hmm. So no need to clone again and again.
Why?
Oh, okay. From here directly it is going.
Yes, you can just take a pull
Hmm.
sync, and you will get the everything whatever I have written.
Okay, okay, okay. Means for only first time we have to clone the project.
Yes,
After that, no need. Yeah, okay. Got it.
just sync your project. You will get the note
Hmm.
there. Sync one more time. So either you need to, you can say, clean your repo, whatever changes are there, you need to commit or discard.
Okay, means this one.
Yes, either you need to commit first.
But if I'm committing existing because of
There is a, you can say, conflict between this merge in this introduction.md5. Okay. Do
okay.
one thing, do
Hmm.
one thing, click on this merge changes. No, no, close this first, please. Click on this merge changes. First option, merge changes.
Ah, okay.
Click on that file. No, click on that file. Click. So these are the things. Now I have updated that.
Mhm.
So you need to, you can say right click please. Here accept all coming.
Changes and it's added.
Yes. So based on that, just commit. Just click on a plus button. Plus button.
This one.
Yes, plus. Keep their version. Delete. Delete. Sorry. Keep keep their versions. Keep. Okay. Now open this file again. Go to your this project explorer and introduction.md. Open introduction.md. Okay. Okay.
This is, I think, my branch.
Yeah,
So
this is your branch. Yes, but you're taking a pull. So that's why. No worries. What you will do, just commit the changes. Actually, you are running two branches. Okay, one is main and another one is this.
oh,
Uh, so that's a problem. You're working at two repo. You need to close one repo there. Okay. Okay, on a main, just take a pull. No, 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 no. First, you need to commit. Okay. Right click on this. After this changes, source control, right click on this changes, first changes. Three dots. Are you able to see three dots? View trees, resource. Click on this source control. On a source control. No, source control. Source control. Three dots. Three dots. Click on three dots. Repository. Repositories. Click on repository as well. So now you are able to see there are two repositories. One is click on this Angular one. First option. No, in a repository. Yes, yes. Full show of. Okay, no worries. Go to your project explorer. Go to project explorer. Yes, click on this. Click on this icon. Right click on any file and open in a file explorer. Reveal in file explorer. Fifth option. No, fifth option. Yes, on top. Do one thing. Do one thing. Uh, go back into this angular one. Yes. Hold on. Go to this. Click on this. No. Do one thing. Just open this Angular class one. Angular class. There is nothing. Nothing is there. Okay. Go back. Go back, please. Oh, Angular. Open Angular. Angular. JavaScript. Open that Angular again. Go back. Go back. Cut this Angular. Cut this Angular folder. Cut.
No,
Cut.
what I have to do?
Cut. Control C. Control X. Sorry.
Control X.
Control X.
Mm.
Go to your C drive. Do you have any another drive or only C drive?
C drive only. But here my folder is there. We can keep.
It's already there. It's already there. Okay, no worries. No, cancel this. Cancel this. Cancel this and create a new folder. You can say my project, my training project, my project. Open that and paste the Angular folder there. Paste.
No, it gone. 1 second. Maybe. But this is open, so I think it is not giving cut and paste.
Okay, close this. Close this. If that's the case, close this.
Okay.
Okay, so now you need to use this folder. Okay, what happened earlier? You cloned one new project inside a existing project. That's why you are able to see two repos there.
Okay. Many folders came there. That's all.
Yes, means you will clone repo inside a repo on your local.
Right.
Okay, so now you need to just double click on this. Or in address bar, please press enter. Address bar, please press enter. Type CMD here. CMD. Enter. Now type your code dot. We are able to see this in our VS Code.
Okay.
How you need to use this, okay? Please sync. Please, okay, change your branch, please. At the place of this, change your branch. change your branch to main.
This one.
Main, yes.
Hmm.
Okay, now take a pull or sync your main branch.
It's okay, right?
Yes, okay.
Okay.
Now you have the content. Okay.
Hmm.
Now today we need to early. Do you have question right now? What
Hmm.
we did, why we did?
What I did, I created one more foundation 1.js, and that was not running.
Okay, if that's okay, just try to create now, but use another name. Create a new folder here.
New file, right? Your new
New
folder.
new folder called practice. In that practice, you will keep your file.
And here file.
Yes, foundation.
Foundation.js. Same name we can put, right?
Because it's a different folder. You
Ah,
can
okay,
you
right.
can do that.
Blog.
Save this, please save this.
Okay.
Any other question or concern? Ajay?
Clone one time and it's refreshing directly. So
Yes.
it is clear. That's why I
Okay.
got confused. I thought every time we have to clone. And
Why? It's a tedious task.
right, right. That is clear.
Okay. Hmm, that's clear. Today we need to discuss on this uh, closer. Okay, what is closer and why we use that, and what is the objective of that. So
Hmm.
there are two ways. Either I will share my screen and we will go through the theory part and then practical,
Hmm.
or the another option is you will go through this theory, and wherever I require, I will give you input and explain the thing to you. Okay. And after that, we will do the practical and my end. But later point of time, I want we will do everything at your end.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
Let's just start from theory part,
Yes.
and we need to open into in this preview mode. Right
Ah.
now, it's not in a preview mode, and you can say expand. No, preview mode. Second option, and close this windows. Close extra windows like this Copilot window and your this project window. For that, you need to double click on that Explorer icon only. If you need to open, no, not here. This first icon, project Explorer icon. No, icon. Right hand, yes. Left hand, right, yes. Click, then it's disappear. Okay. Close this file as well. Close the file as well. Okay, go from goal you need to start.
Hmm.
You can increase the font of this as well. Just use Control plus plus.
Hmm.
Okay. Now Let me give you a glimpse of this. What is closure? So as its name suggests, closure is a nothing. It's a when you close a function inside a function. Am I right?
Hmm.
And means there is no existence of inner function or outer word. Am I right?
Hmm.
The outer word is means user is able to interact with the outer functions only. But there is a when we will going to develop a you can say framework or when you going to develop a library, then this concept is required. That's why we today we will going to discuss this. Okay.
Hmm.
This simple concept is we have a we can create a function inside a function. Am I right?
Hmm.
And parent function or outer function is responsible to provide a required thing to the you can say required thing to your inner function,
Hmm.
and you can return inner function as well from a outer function.
Okay. Is there any limit to define the inner functions, or we can define a number of inner functions?
It means JavaScript are flexible. You
Okay.
can do that.
Hmm. Okay. Clear.
Okay. Just with this knowledge, you can go into the theory part, and wherever required, I will tell you, and we will do the practical as well, either at your end or my end. Okay.
Okay. So closure inverse. It will be if my end. It will be better.
Okay. Yeah, I am. I don't have an issue, but you need to grab the concept. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Surrounding environment. Hmm. Okay.
You can do the practical side by side. Just just copy this code and run and do some changes so that you will feel confident. Am I right?
Hmm. In foundation.js, right?
No, you create a new folder called closer.js file so that you have everything in a practice only. In a practice only.
User.js.
Yes.
Outer, define the variable, inner and console and return. Function.
Parenthesis missing in a function.
Opening and closing.
You can open both together.
First name.
Please open both the file together. It's easy
The,
for you to. You
okay.
need to click on a third option, so that you are able to see both
This
the files. Yes. To close this file, close the .js file from here. No, 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 no.
from here.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Close this your Explorer part as well, so that you will get more space.
Yeah. Function.
Naming convention is different from your C sharp. Okay,
Yes.
you are using this naming convention of C sharp.
Hmm. Dot log. Here we are printing the we will return from router. Outside the bracket, let result is equal to router. Hmm. Control S and run, right?
No, you need to call that result. You're not calling. After this
Ah,
line, there's a one more line is there. Result only.
okay,
Result
that
only.
is okay.
Save, save and run. Save and run. Yes.
Hmm. And if I club something,
You need to change your variable. Line number 3.
hmm. Okay, this is clear.
Go ahead with another part.
After executions of the finished, determine how to invest because of closure. Okay. Without closure function loses the access to the outer variables. Rather data becomes difficult. Actually becomes difficult.
So hold on.
Hmm.
So you need to understand if you will not use, why we need to use, you need to understand very well. Okay. If we not go with the closure, I mean, right? Why?
Hmm.
So basically, whatever you are doing, Rahul Mishra, you can do this with a simple method as well.
Hmm. Yes, right.
I mean, right? Why you require closure, you need to understand very well.
Hmm.
Okay. So right now, with the help of that, you can think of whatever you done earlier. You need to have a reference of that. I mean, right?
Hmm.
You need to memorize that.
Hmm.
Okay, with the help of closure, you can do that.
Hmm.
Okay, the here function lose access to outer variables. Private data become difficult. State tracking become difficult. Callbacks become difficult.
Hmm.
Okay, because it's not there. But with the help of closure, you will get this thing.
Hmm.
Function remember data, as I told you. I mean, right.
Hmm.
And private variables become possible.
Hmm.
With the help of that means whatever inside is a inside and it's safe from outer world. I'm right.
Hmm.
And with the help of that, your state data management is safe because it's maintain the state, previous state, and store the previous state.
Hmm.
Okay, and reusable logic become possible. Go ahead, please.
Can you give me a example of this, like real-time example for
Let,
using the closure?
let's say real time we will check that. We just go through it,
Okay.
Ajay.
Function joins data private variables become possible definition become.
Just close this closer.js file. We will do that practically and a lot.
Yes.
No worries. Let's complete the theory first.
Real life customer gets the locker, customer leaves bank, locker field contains belongings, customer returns later, data still exists.
This is a real use case.
Bank is a outer and locker is a inner.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Hmm. So those are other functions exist. Inner function survives. Hmm. Data still exists. How it works. Function starts, variable created, function ends, variable removed. Hmm. Outer function start. Variable created. Inner function ends. Variable kept alive. Inner function is this variable. Okay. The variable we created in outer function we are using into the inner function.
Yes.
Hmm. Hmm. Yes, data uses outer data function plus remembered variables written inside can access parent variable. Hmm.
Now you can see this. Okay, you can run this example and you will understand.
Counter is zero. Return function something is different.
Just copy that content and or you can type that content. I think so. First, you go through the theory part,
Okay,
complete theory part, and
fine.
then we will do the practical.
Hmm. Hmm.
So here you are able to see me whenever you call this method, am I right?
Hmm.
So you are returning this inner function, am I
This,
right?
this is only one function, right?
Yes. This is a closure.
Hmm.
Outer
But
function is there, inner
doesn't
function is there.
inner and outer.
Yes, this is a name. Like right now, we are not saying outer, we are saying counter. Am I right?
Hmm.
And another, we are not means declaring differently. We are just
Directly call.
defining. Yes, it's an anomalous function.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, means which is calling without any name, just we are returning. Am I right?
Hmm.
Apart from that, it's a similar whatever you have done earlier. Am I
Hmm.
right? And now you are able to see when you are means we are creating one increment variable which is storing the your outer function. Am I right?
Hmm.
Now, when you are calling this, it will because it's maintaining the state data count state earlier. Am I right? That's why you are able to see 1, 2, 3.
Hmm. It's
Understand my point? Uh,
increasing the value.
yes, and this is not possible with a normal function.
Right. Right.
That's why you require closure.
Hmm.
Go ahead, please. Go ahead. You will do the practical and the last.
Private variables, bank account, balance. Hmm. This is same. Just we are printing the balance here.
Yes, because you cannot touch that. You can say this, and you can pass. You can say multiple closures. You can pass a variable as well. Earlier, you are not passing any variable. You can pass the variable
Hmm.
parameter as well.
Parameter we are passing.
Yes.
If we pass the parameter, we can call it many times. Trainer one, trainer two. Okay. We are defining and calling.
Yes, you can think of function with a parameter.
Right.
You can use based on your requirement. Am I
Hmm.
right?
Yes. Create config. This is also same.
Because in a real life, we have a
Application.
our project we work on a configuration, and we
Right.
have a different. You can say environments are there, dev, QA, UAT, and production. Am I
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
And
Right.
what is the difference there? Configurations are different.
Hmm. Yes.
So you can do that with the help of this.
All right.
So these are the real use cases.
Hmm. closure state prevention reservation. The number of students, how many times we are calling, that many times it will come.
Maybe means in our frameworks we need to means need to track how many objects are created. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
And how many objects are destroyed. So based on that matrix, we can say, hey, now this there is no more reference of this. This need to be cleaned. Am I right? So for that, we can use a closure. That's why I told you this is a concept which we'll use on a real time or enterprise level application.
Hmm. Closure remembers closure keeps data. Create private variables. Closure helps to maintain state. Closure are heavily used in JavaScript. Hmm. Combination of function and itself in allowing the function to access variables from its outer scope even after the outer function has completed execution.
So you will take this up by your own, okay?
Hmm.
And there is subjective type also there. You can go through that by your own.
Hmm.
Okay, and go down, please. This is objective which you need to check by your own, and these are the assignment which you need to take that as a you can see your this.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay, but I will encourage you means you will do the whatever you need to do. You will think in context of your real project.
Yes, right.
Okay, think where you can use this concept.
Hmm.
Am I right? And what advantage you will get there.
Hmm. Yes.
Now it's a time for practical. Everything is with you. Okay, you just try to do that. And
Yes.
if time allows, I will give you some tasks which you need to perform. Right now, first you need to run this as it and understand. Whatever code is there, just run that. Okay.
Yes.
And understand and what you want to tweak, you can tweak. So that when you do practice, then you have something with you.
Hmm. Function to I have to cut this or
No, no, no. You can do in the same file. Save this and run.
hmm.
Okay.
Hmm. parameter. Open function. Hmm.
Okay. Now, if you think you are comfortable with this, are you comfortable with this? And if I will give some tweak, are you able to do that? And are you able to do this assignment by your own?
Yes.
Right now, I want means right now whatever you are doing, I want your rather than just printing on a console, it will give us a output. It will
Hmm.
return something internal function. One thing. And apart from that, I want to check your knowledge how you can pass a multiple parameters there. Right now, you will accepting only one parameter, but you can accept multiple parameters.
Hmm.
Could
Yes.
you could you do that for me, please? Just create a new file
Okay.
called challenge, and in that challenge, you need to write the code. I am assuming you already know the language, and there is only new concept which you already gone through, and now you are able to do that. Am I right?
Hmm.
If you are not able to do that, that's not an issue over there because we are here, feel like a home. Okay.
Yeah. Hmm. Function. What we want? Two parameters we want to pass.
Yes, and right now we are consoling everything. Am I right?
Hmm.
I want you will return something so that we can get the value and reuse.
Okay. Get full name. Then I close this. Hmm. Then now in the outer, let full name equal to. Can I run this?
Where you're in a function?
Just
Function is a keyword which you start from a lowercase or
hmm.
uppercase.
Okay. Hmm.
I'm not able to see any output. Why? So you are not calling function name and function name one. You need to call in a last. And line number, you need, these are the functions you need to put parentheses. Parentheses and last.
Okay. Hmm. Okay.
And why you are not following the naming convention? You start from a lowercase letter in JavaScript.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Camel case.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
You need to follow. And now this is done. Now you can same way you can pass multiple.
Yes. Right.
Okay. And now you need to return something so that we can reuse.
Hmm.
Go ahead for that, please.
Return something to reuse.
Yes, from internal function, from inner function.
Right. Marks. Function in the dot log. And
We are just consoling about it will return something so that we can, let's say, get 20 and you can use 20 with another calculation. Understand my point?
no, come again.
I am saying right now you are consoling this marks only.
Hmm.
I want it will return that marks and you can get this 20 and which you can use for further calculation. You
Okay.
can think of function can return one value which you can reuse for another operation. Am I right?
Hmm.
If function is not returning anything, whatever is doing is do that. But most of the cases somewhere we require means let's say calculate of final payment payout will.
Hmm.
First we need to make a total of all the order and then apply a tax and apply a discount. Then we will get this. In that case, we have a different function, am I right? You understand my point?
Yes. Why this is not printing? I have to use. I will use, but that
You need to figure out.
okay,
You need to figure out.
yeah, equal to let tax is equal to 100 and tax plus this value.
What you are doing? Do step by step. Otherwise, you will be confused and you are not able to find the bug.
Yeah,
First, to understand whatever you're doing, do
I
step by step.
declared outer function, declared the variable,
Okay,
inner function,
okay.
return. I think return is missing.
It will not work like this. Okay,
Mm, then I define a variable with tax. Tax is 100,
okay.
and I am calculating document total as this tax plus invoice, outer function details.
That's fine. But you are doing one mistake, bigger mistake. That's why you are not able to get anything.
Mm,
If you want to get the 2000 there, then two mistakes are there. But yes, the two big mistakes are there which you are doing. First, you check your this first function. Are you doing right there or not? First, compare this function and your latest function. How it is printing, how it is working, and your new function is not working. First, you need to rectify that point only.
okay. Return function.
Go down, please. Just remove this tax plus invoice. Just call invoice only. Line number 22.
This I
20,
can directly call, right?
you can directly call, but why you are doing this? So right now there is no use of this plus.
Okay.
Do step by step again.
Means I can remove this and directly I can calculate.
Uh, no. You need to assign this to your variable so that you will get this assigned to your this inner function. That variable hold the reference of your inner function. Okay.
Hmm.
So first you assign this. Check your earlier example, please.
Okay, means tax I can pass here.
No, don't do anything. Just print whatever you have. It need to be printed on your console. 2000. Okay. Code is right there. You need to just way to call. Just call that first. You need to assign this to a variable. So you can call this. Yes. You need to initialize one variable with this invoice so that you will get a reference invoice. Okay.
And
Okay. Now call. Now in yes, call this invoice. In, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And if I plus this will not work.
Because right now you are printing, you are not returning.
Okay, but if I want to add doc total plus tax,
For that, first your inner function should return that 2000. Am I right? Right
if
now you are printing, not returning any. No, 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 no. This line is required. This line is required. Don't remove that, please.
if we place it here,
That's also fine. But right now, if you do okay, do one thing. In line number 23,
hmm,
put result is equal to let result is equal to tax plus tax tax plus this. Then you will get a string. Okay.
hmm,
Okay.
and we have to print that, right?
Now you will not get that output, desired output. You will get a different output.
Hmm.
Save this first. Print result. Please print result. Print result.
Hmm.
Console.log result.
Okay. Yeah, if it is variable, then console.log, and if it is function, then directly we can.
Not a number.
Hmm.
Because you are not returning a number from that internal function. That's why you are not able to perform, as I told you. But if you want to do that in line number, go ahead, go up, please. Here, line number 18, you need to use return statement at the place of console.log.
Here.
Remove this console.log
Because we are not printing.
because you are not returning.
Hmm.
You're just printing.
Perfect. I got it.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now you need to take this, done your assignment and done your assignment with care. Okay. So when you done your assignment, then you will learn.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay. And you have everything with you well in advance. Okay. So from my side, you are totally free.
Hmm.
If you want to go ahead, just let me know. Hey Deepak, I today let's cover this three topic, four topic. I'm totally okay with you.
Hmm.
You understand my point?
Yes.
It's your course, it's your training, it's your call. So I am okay with anything.
Yes.
That's why I put everything in advance, well in advance, so you can go through whenever you have a time.
Hmm.
You understand my point?
Yes.
Any question or concern, Ajay?
Uh, till now it is clear.
But you require practice.
Yes.